Hi, what's up mga Karanda? Good morning! So for today's ride, we are going to Jabel. Ahon tayo doon kasi matagal tayo hindi nakapag-ride. And of course guys, I'm using Magene technology. I'm using the Magene C406 Pro and of course heart rate monitor and cadence sensor. Kaya guys, review natin to. Let's go!
And yes, we are using the Magene Technology C406 Pro bike computer and solo ride tayo going to Jabel, which is the second highest mountain here in the UAE. And of course, that's our favorite road for today's video. Kaya tara, let's go! Time check mga karanda, it's 6 AM in the morning and of course nag-ride out tayo ng late na kasi here in UAE it's still winter and the weather is good, the weather is cold, it's around like 20 degrees Celsius and of course even if we ride out early, we still have to go solo kasi mga karanda safe naman na dito and of course I also enjoy solo riding because it gives me peace of mind but sometimes it's more fun really to have group ride.
Hi guys! So, ako na tayo dito sa second highest mountain ng UAE, Jabel. Ang ating ruta for today's video and meron pa tayong kasama. Solo ride for today. Hingal na ako kasi 2 weeks na walang ride. And of course, I'm using pa rin Magene technology with heart rate monitor H803 by computer. Yan. And gamit ko din ang cadence sensor nila. Oh! Wala ng ilaw. Yan guys. So, time check 6:15. 5:30 tayo nag-ride up. 5:35. Hingal na ako kasi. Grabe. Pagkat ko hindi nag-bike. Yung ensayo mo ng mga nakarang parang wala na. Tara guys.
Hi mga karada, we're using the Magene C406 Pro bike computer with new firmware update with better control with the connection Shimano of Di2 electronic shifting systems with more intuitive with the optimized interface layout and of course more detailed din siya compared to other bike computer. It's also easier to see the data at a glance and more convenient with the detailed smart notifications.
Gawin niyo yung view natin sa likod guys. So. Actually, sa 2 weeks natin na hindi nag-ride, ito tayo, hingal na hingal, at wala pa rin kasabay yung mag-ride dito sa Jabel. Sabado naman ngayon. Yan. Alam nyo ba na nag-ride dito si Ian Howe last week and wala ako? Wala kasi ako sa UAE nun guys. So, yun, nasa Abu Dhabi na siya ngayon. And yun guys, yung inaahon natin pag gusto natin mag-ensayo sa ahon. Jabel, 10 kilometers yung distance. So buti na lang may heart rate monitor tayo from Magene technology H803. Ito. Yan. Binabasa niya doon sa bike computer natin. Baba na kami ng speed ko. Let's go! Ayun, may kasabay din tayo sa wakas. Morning! Morning po. Saan po kayo? Abu Dhabi. Hindi ako makakapunta eh. Sayang. Tara sir. Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi pala sila. Hingal. Nakasama tayong kabayan, naka-mountain bike.
can you imagine mga karonda, as a cyclist, even cadence and speed can be measured. That's why I'm using the Magene technology S314 cadence dual mode sensor, and it has multiple function with ANT plus speed sensor, cadence sensor, Bluetooth speed sensor, Bluetooth cadence sensor, and of course it is compatible to many devices, not just Magene but also Garmin, Wahoo, Brighton, SOS, IG Sports, and many other bike computers. And of course, it's also compatible with Hafeet, One Lap, Zwift, Cycle Meter, Open Rider, and any other application. Amazing, diba? Kaya you can link on my description box below to know more about it. So as a healthcare practitioner, it's very important to monitor your heart rate when you are doing exercise. And of course, as a cyclist, it's important for me to wear this heart rate monitor. That's why we use the Magene technology heart rate armband, which can be used to any other sports, not just for cycling. So the nice thing about Magene is also you can reflect it to your Strava account. So makikita natin dito, maximum heart rate ko is 189 beats per minute, which is exceedingly high for me kasi dapat 180 lang yung heart rate na naabot ko. Pero tataas pa rin yan as we do cycling. And of course, nasa zone 3 pala tayo ng ensayo for today, guys.
Hello guys! So dito tayo sa Jabel and gamit ko ngayon ang Magene technology na C406 Pro na bike computer nila. Ito guys, yung latest na product na meron sila, and of course we're using this because it fits for me. It has many displays. So it has 2.4 HD LED light, and of course bigger siya when it compares to IG Sports and Brighton. So yan guys. So this is the Magene technology. So I'll mount this here, which has the aerodynamic bike mount. Yeah. So we're gonna resume this because later on we will be having our own downhill track. So this is our the details of the C406 Pro. Ito yung details niya mga karonda. Meron siyang speed, of course, maximum slope, calories din. Wow, this is amazing, right? And it has a maximum elevation descent, and meron din siyang speed, of course, average speed. Moving time ko 2 hours na, and meron tayong distance na 27.19 ng kilometers. Average heart rate ko 138 because I'm also using the Magene technology heart rate monitor na H803, and this is it mga karonda, and this is very accurate kasi compared to sa Apple Watch ko, accurate siya kasi same din siya ng ating heart rate here, which is detailed in our bike computer. And with this mga karonda, yan. So it has 3 colors, blue, black, and red. So everything is rechargeable. So you don't need any battery kasi rechargeable siya, and meron siyang port. So we can use it for long term compared to other cadence and speed sensor that you need to have battery. So this is no hassle kasi we can just recharge it and then kalas. And one of the features of the Magene bike computer C406 Pro is that it has a auto backlight, auto pose, and also auto calibration. So ino-auto pose siya, auto time din siya na nag-stop, and of course it's very accurate. You can link on also to Strava account, and of course you just need one Hafeet na ating application, which is this one. Yeah, one Hafeet application for you to activate all of the devices, and it's very easy and it's very convenient kasi detailed na siya and also affordable. So guys, link on my description box below if you want to have more detailed information about our Magene technology. And mga karonda, I'm also using the cadence and speed sensor natin, which should be installed on the left crank area of our dito sa pedal area natin, this guys. So this one has a 500 hour ultra long battery life, and also anti-loss design siya, double settled design, enables to avoid loss, and also there is 7.7 gram lang siya. So, lighter weight in smaller size siya compared sa other brand. And of course, secured siya when mounting dito sa left crank natin here. So, it is detailed and also reflects our cadence number here sa ating bike computer. Yan, ito na yung exciting part mga karanda. Ito ang ating heart rate monitor na H803. Yan, this is our heart rate monitor which is easy to use kasi strap lang siya, and of course rechargeable din siya mga karanda. So yan, titingnan mo, may strap siya which is also lightweight and also easy strap siya. Hindi siya yung matigas na strap. It's so lightweight and it's so flexible that you can even use it even when you're doing yoga, not just for cycling. Basta meron ka lang one lap fit na app. So yan mga karanda, this is the Magene heart rate monitor, armband monitor, and of course waterproof and dustproof din siya. So you can use this even if it's raining or even in dusty. Here in UAE, it's dusty kasi more on sand siya. So yan, heart rate detection accuracy siya, and battery life niya is 45 hours. And also guys, yung appearance niya ganito. So easy strap lang siya guys. So, ganyan. So, may button siya dito sa side. So, it has a button here on the side. And you can just turn it on, turn it off. And easy din siya na i-connect dito sa ating Hafeet na application. Nakaano na siya dito. Naka-connect na tayo dito. And yan mga karanda, I hope na marami po kayo natutunan for today's video about Magene technology. And of course, link on my description box below if you want to purchase one. And let's go, ride na tayo pababa kasi may mga friends pa tayo na hahabulin. Of course, I hope na nandun pa sila. And let's go guys! Let's go Magene! Guys, let's go. Tulalay. Wala ka naman, be.
Wasak ako ay doon. Wasak din ako. Ang sarap ng chocolate.
Pasko na naman, ngunit wala ka pa. Wow! Parang master. Sarap ng banana.
Hindi ka nakakakamay.
Nice video. Baka nagpaspas kayo, tigar-gar to sa kakon.
30 lang.
Oo, bagman. Tigar-gar to sa kakon yung ano, bagman ka.
Yan!
2 weeks akong walang bike.
Panog ka.
نزله حاسبه شوي شوي واللي قدام اذا في سياره يأشر لها ويخبر اللي ورا عرفتوا؟ حاسبوا
Arasu.
تعليمات
Hi! Fatima? Yeah, how fine? How are you?
يا شباب اهم شيء سلامتكم
Wait, Nura, Moza. Wait, Nura.
كابتن واحد بس
Let's go.
ترميم الريال بس
So, sama tayo sa mga cycling team dito. Sana shway. Shway. Tulay. So, naka 71.6 kilometers na tayo. Umahon pa tayo and sumama dito sa long ride nila. So, pauwi na tayo guys. See? Using my Magene technology by computer.